what's up, Amazon KDP sellers? I pause here real quick. Today I'm going to show you how to use Moji. Now, Moji is Japanese for letters, right? Like how you write something, right? So that is what this software is all about. And as you can guess, we don't just create this for no reason. There is a huge market. Let me scale this down. There's a huge market. Let me put letter there. Word doesn't matter. Letter tracing, word tracing, ESL, CVC, sight words. There is a ton here you can work with. Letter tracing song, letter tracing worksheets. I go up here. We can go letter tracing for kids ages 3 to 5, book, sensory pad, board, cards, drive. Okay, so let's go. Worksheets, workbook for kids, workbook for kids. So huge market. Let me go to workbook for kids. And we look, and these books, man, over 89,000 reviews, over 25,000 reviews, over 3,000, over 1,000. Some books only have 19 reviews, some books have a little bit under 100, but they're all earning, right? You can't write a review. I don't know if they changed that, but back in the day, you can't write these days you can't write a review unless you bought the product. You have a verified purchase review, right? And they all have BSR. Now, if you don't know let me show you what BSR is. A BSR, if you scroll down to the bottom, BSR is right here, bestsellers rank. That means your book is selling, okay? So what is this about? Well, if you don't know, let me show you. This is a site called Amazon KDP. You create just one account. You can't have more than one account. That's one of the rules that I teach within Bose Pods, within the training. I have a set of rules you can never break. But you create one account and only one account. You can't have two. And you just upload a digital product like a PDF. You know what PDF is, right? You upload that to Amazon KDP. And the beauty of it is you're selling physical books, workbooks, diaries, storybooks. You're selling all of that. But you don't ship anything, right? At the other side, when your customer searches your niche and they buy your book, Amazon, this site here takes care of the rest. They print it out, then they ship it out, and you collect the royalty. And I've had success myself doing this, and I've taught many others, plus this software that I'm about to show you, okay? These types of software, these types of tools are here to help you break in and, overcome that hurdle, that barrier that a lot of publishers, a lot of authors face. You can create solid products that's actually going to help people or entertain people, because we also sell mazes, crossword books, all different types of books. These types of books with these tools are easy to create. You can create them in minutes. I'm going to show you right now, and it's really cool stuff. So let me get to it. Okay, so first thing you want to do, like always, start off with a keyword research. Like I showed you right here. Okay, letter tracing. You can get this keyword tool absolutely for free, even if you're not a paid member of for this, in this example, Moji. So you scroll down here, go to member perks. You click this button. It opens up this software tool. You go to KDP Keyword Finder, and you can see the different niches that are out there. And if it doesn't exist, don't create it. That's what I would say. Okay, so the tool I'm talking about today is Moji. Moji just means lettering in Japanese, as a curriculum, or as a type, I should say. This creates the workbooks that we're going to sell on Amazon KDP. And creating these books are very simple with Moji. You just click bulk because you want to create the whole book. We can go with words. Let's go with letters. You're going to scroll down. We're going to keep it. There's so many activities. Look at this activity. Color by letter to show an image after they color in. The different letters, like A. For this example, it's A. Color all the A spaces, and the picture will reveal itself. You got letter bingo. You got dabs. You got the arc here. Okay. There's so many different activities. So many different ways to attack this market. ABC cutouts, sorry, out, formation workbook. Okay. Well, let's go with this formation workbook. Actually, no, it's too low content. I want to go with a full page one like that. Beautiful. Go and then scroll down. Let's say we're going to create one. We can add our name and date for our end user. Maybe remove this, remove that. Okay, keep it simple. Okay, I want you to use A to Z and add the Q, and we should be done. Scroll down here and click generate, and we're done. Going to generate. Oh, I forgot to put the numbering. I'm going to do that now. I'm going to go to page numbers, click this, and we have numbering now. But we're not done. We have our complete book, as you can see right here. But I also want to add a instruction, drop that in there, and a copyright. These are what I call the essential pages. Let's call this Ike's tracing workbook. Just for example's sake, remember your copyright page, your cover, and your title on Amazon KDP must all be exactly the same. Okay. And any second now, come on now, let's go. It's creating my copyright text. Now again, copyright text is really important. You want to protect your product, right? And this is yours. Whatever output, whatever you create with this tool is yours to do as you will. You can give it away as a lead magnet, sell it on Etsy as a printable, or what I recommend you do is sell it on the world's biggest buyer search engine traffic platform for free, which is Amazon KDP. Okay, so we have our book. Look at that. Beautiful, well formatted, gorgeous looking book. Now, of course, you can download as a PNG, and if you want, you can do some more editing on sites like Canva. You can then also, I can't speak. I'm tired, guys. I didn't sleep well last night. That sucks, right? Anyways, if you've made it up to this point, I'm just curious because this is the only way I know if you're watching. Let me know how many hours you slept last night. To me, I think I slept maybe a solid 5 hours, but we'll see. You can also download and edit as a PowerPoint. And what I like to do, and I know if you've watched any of my videos, I've said this ad nauseum. I want to download as a single PDF. I want to make life as easy as possible, right? So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm going to show you the end result. Okay, let's see what that looks like. Got our copyright, we got our instructional, and we got our book all done. Very good. And we have the solutions right here at the back, right? That's why there's 54 pages, because it also adds the solutions at the back of the book. There you go. I hope you liked this video. And again, if you made it up to this point, give me the number of hours you slept last night in the comment section. Write it out for me. Let me know. And if you can, and if it doesn't bother you at all, can you please like and subscribe to this channel? That little thing you do right there helps us out a lot. Only if you think we're doing good things here. Let me know. Okay, be good. Take care. Have a wonderful day. And I'll try to sleep well. I hope you have a good night's sleep if you're watching this at night.